Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to Jacquie with a Q. Before I get started, don't forget to make it happen for yourself. You got to make it happen for yourself. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, right? Also hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And also, all of my social media information is down in the description box. My email as well as my Cash App. That's how you order your t-shirts through the, you email me your full name, full address, the size and the color, and then I'll email you back what your shipping is, and then you Cash App me your total, okay? And so these are the t-shirts: small, medium, large, extra large. I keep forgetting that. Small, medium, large, extra large. Small, medium, large, extra large, $25 shipping and handling, and 2X in white, and I have a few of those in the 2X, okay? That's because 2X costs a lot. When you get up to them X's, they cost way more, 3 or 4 times more than the regular sizes. So at any rate, if I want you guys to get your t-shirts so that I can move on to the next venture and I can get my money back, okay? I need to get my money back, so y'all don't want me homeless, do you? Let me stop saying that. But I do need to get my money back, though. I need to get my money back, y'all, because I got bills to pay and stuff to do, okay? So I need to get my money back. But anyway, today, y'all, I'm talking about Wendy Williams, right? I'm talking about Wendy Williams. So her show is officially canceled, and Sherri will be the Sherri Shepherd show. Now, last week, you know, they had said that Sherri would be the permanent guest host until Wendy comes back. She's going to be the permanent guest host. They weren't going to have any more people, you know, coming on. I didn't watch any of it, but I would have liked to see Remy Ma and Fat Joe. I saw a glimpse of it, right, one day. But I don't be at home. I'll be busy and stuff, right? But I would have liked to see them. But I didn't see Sherri either. But, you know, Sherri was on the View or the Talk. She was on one of those shows, right? And she's a comedian. She did a whole bunch of things. So I'm happy. Kudos for Sherri. Now, like I said, it's officially come to the end, and the deal has been finalized with Sherri. The deal has been, that means the paper signed, the money getting ready to get, the check coming. That's what that means. The deal has been finalized. The producers informed everyone that the Wendy show was canceled, and then in the same breath, they hired everybody for the Sherri show. So nobody lost their job except for Wendy. Nobody lost their job, right? They're going to work on the Sherri show. Now, Wendy was on her own Instagram. She popped up with a new one, right? I guess that's when she was on the beach or wherever she was, right? So the Wendy show Instagram, I guess that was her Instagram, Wendy show Instagram. That account is no longer in her control. So I guess that was the show's Instagram, and she can't post on there. So that's why she has a new Instagram. I like this stuff is deep, y'all, right? It says that the Wendy show executives have been trying to end her show and find a suitable replacement for several years, but to no avail. So they've been trying to get rid of Wendy, right? Now, that I didn't know. They tried, because Wendy, they say, has really been checked out. She's been checked out. And you know, listen, when your man is cheating and everything and stuff going on and rumors swirling and he ain't, you know, it's not a rumor to you because a woman knows, right? And things going on, you do check out, right? That's just human nature. You know, we all like to think we superwoman and super this and super that, but we're human, right? So, it says that she had become increasingly difficult to work with prior to her medical leave. So before she left, it says that Wendy had become somewhat unbearable, having tantrums and throwing things at people. Girl, now you done lost your mind. What? Having tantrums? Why do stars, you know, get so big and they start acting ugly like that? Nobody likes to be around ugly acting people. Nobody. And if you're doing that with the people who's helping you get your bag, maybe she was acting ugly with her husband. Maybe that's why he went off and cheated. I don't know. I can't give him no excuses. I don't excuse that. But I'm just saying. You know, I'm just saying. throwing things at people. Basically, the consensus among the crew is that she didn't want to be there anymore. And the illnesses may have just exacerbated that feeling. So I thought she wasn't there because of the illness. They say she's probably hasn't wanted to be there in a while, right? But you know, when you're doing something, you feel obligated to your fans, and you should be, right? Even despite all of the health battles and the multiple hiatuses and everything. See, this is what I think. When Wendy fell out that time, she should have fell back. I tell y'all all the time, you got to fall back, right? She should have fell back there. That's a sign. Your body was giving you a sign, right? They still decided to renew her after. Now, they tried to replace her with Jerry O'Connell. I think that's the white guy. I got to look him up to see who he is so I can see his picture. But you couldn't replace a black woman with a white guy. So they did the right thing by putting Sherri on there, right? I've got to watch it one time. Because it comes on at night and stuff. I got to figure out, because I've seen it on the guide. I've got to try to watch it and see how, how Sherri performed. Or maybe I can YouTube it. I don't know. They said it's unclear if Wendy will make a return to the purple chair before her show ends. Like for me, you done fired me. I'm sick. I got a lot of stuff going on. I ain't coming back. What I would do is tell I would do a video on my own Instagram account, on my Twitter, whatever, and state that, I'm recovering. I'm trying to regain my health. Love you guys. It's been a great ride. Thanks for riding with me. But deuces. That's what I would do. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't walk back on that stage that you didn't fire me from, that you didn't let me go and put somebody else in the place of and come back. No. And then when she come back, did she come back? Sherri interviewing her, like, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. No, ma'am, no, sir. I wouldn't do that. So it says that the execs and producers are being smart and strategic in how Sherri would take over for Wendy. They don't want to they don't want to disturb the fans, which I get it, because you need the fans. And it says Sherri will have to balance making the show her own while also winning over Wendy's diehard fans, which she does have. Sherri's going to have to walk a tightrope between being her own woman and respecting what Wendy has already accomplished. Now, see, right there, I got a problem. Let her be her own woman, but I can't do the Wendy. They're going to have to understand Wendy gone, and it's me now. And be herself. I think she can be herself and win them over, as opposed to trying to do whatever it was Wendy was doing. It says, expect no major changes to the show itself. They want everything to feel familiar. I don't know. That might be I don't know quite what they want from Sherri, right? It says, over the next few weeks, Sherri will reach out to Wendy's fans. She's going to invite them along on this next chapter. She's going to have fan events, which is good, so they can get to know her. She's going to do Zoom calls, and she's going to FaceTime viewers. Now, I don't know if that's something she's going to do on the show. I don't know how that's going to work. I don't know, right? And they said the permanent guest host is just in name only, so they don't upset the fans, which I kind of figured that anyway. Once they made a decision that Sherri was going to be the permanent guest host, I kind of figured it was over anyway, right? And so here's the deal. Wendy has been refusing to return calls or emails left by the producers. So they had no other option but to move on with Sherri. So you killed yourself. You killed yourself, right? Had she spoke with them and spoke with them and told them, well, listen, y'all, I need to recuperate. I think Sherri will be good until I get back, or something to that effect. She didn't say anything. Wow. And I do know that, she's having some problems with her monies, but I saw the other day that her son is now her POA, right? Which is good, because I was wondering, he should have stepped up, even though he's a young man and he's probably been sheltered and he may not know quite what to do. But then he has his dad, because it says that Wendy and the dad and the ex-husband are communicating again. So, we'll see. I still feel sorry for her. I know a lot of people say this is her karma, and it probably is, right? But I feel sorry, because you've had one thing after another. The death of a parent, the loss of your husband, and the public humiliation. Now he got a whole baby. He got a whole family over there when you thought he was over here, right? then your health starts to decline because your mind isn't right. I told y'all, you got to keep this. You got to keep this no matter what. You got to try to keep it, right? But anyway, we're going to wish Wendy well. And we're going to wish her well and pray for her, that she has that she recovers. I'm not going to say speedy, because speedy is not always necessary. At this point, the show is out of her name, so she just needs to recover in a healthy way. I'll say that, right? It says the production will wait to remove Wendy's logos and signs until September or even October. So, because some fans are still holding out hope that she's going to come back. And they keep saying Sherri's in it to win it, so... Okay, that's good. That's good. So they're trying to appease the fans, but move on with the show as best they can with Sherri Shepherd. Like I said, I wish Wendy well, but it may be karma from all the years of whatever it was you talking about, folk. It's one thing to talk and kiki, ha ha, or report whatever's going on, but sometimes it looks like she did it with malice, right? So you got to be careful what you do and what you say and how you say it, right? So anyway, again, we're going to wish Wendy well. Congratulate Sherri. We're going to congratulate Sherri. Don't overshadow Sherri in this. She's got a new position. She was on, like I said, I can't remember. It was The View to Talk, one of them shows, right? She was on. So good for her, okay? So guys, be careful today. Be safe. It's going to be 75 degrees today. I'm waiting on the 75, right? For the next 3 days. It's going to be 79 degrees. They say about 80 Thursday. But then it's going to drop back down to the regular 57, 60, whatever, right? It's all good for me because I'm from Cleveland, and right now it will be cold, right? So anyway, y'all, to get your T-shirts, email me. Email me for your T-shirts. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.